Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Did you actually know that stars don't twinkle? Come, let's learn some more about these stars. Stars are massive celestial bodies made mostly of hydrogen and helium that give light and heat due to the nuclear reactions inside their cores. There are millions of stars in the universe, and the closest one to us is our own sun. Stars are born with clouds of dust scattered throughout galaxies across the universe. They may form a system around themselves like our sun and may shine hot and bright. When they die, they may form a supernova, a neutron star, a nebula, or a black hole. If stars are such massive balls of heat and energy, why do they appear so small and tiny in our night sky? That's because they are really far away. The light from these stars has to travel through the vacuum of space for light years. That is the distance covered in a year by light, the fastest thing in the universe. As the light passes through many layers of atmosphere that surrounds the Earth, it gets bent, which makes it appear like the stars are twirling. It is just like watching a spark above a flame through the air. While the star appears to be next to each other on the night sky, they are probably light years away and just appear to be next to each other because of our perspective. Think of how people take pictures like this with the Taj Mahal. The Earth is constantly revolving around the Sun while also rotating on its own axis, but the stars are so far away that they can be viewed pretty much as fixed points in our night sky. We can't see these stars during the day because the sun's light outshines them. At night, the stars appear clear and bright to the human eye when we are out in the countryside, away from the bright lights of the city. Ancient people used stars as a navigation guide when traveling at night time and to find their way when sailing the seas. The pole star, Polaris, due to its placement, does not appear to move because it is in line with the Earth's north pole. This means that if you look at it, you are looking due north. The people connected a collection of stars with its imaginary lines. These collections are known as constellations. They name constellations with names of myths and characters that have still remained with us. So, if you are looking for Polaris, all you need to do is look for the constellation called the Ursa Major or Saptarishi. It is also known as the Big Dipper. Imagine a line from the two stars on the lip of the Dipper, and there's the pole star. Orion is another constellation that depicts a hunter in the night sky. This hunter's belt points us towards the brightest star in the night sky, Sirius. Other constellations like Cassiopeia and Leo Major all have interesting stories of old connected to them. If the study of stars fascinates you, then you could choose to become an astronomer, a scientist who studies the objects in the sky, including planets, galaxies, black holes, and stars, is called an astronomer. I think tonight I'll watch the night sky instead of my usual TV show.